Caterina. Short. Caterina. Paraman. Turnover. Nico na with the leather. Alonso. To Foley. Kicks it out. Set to shoot. Mendoza. Down low pass. Alonso to Igo. Igo off the glass. No. Alonso. Short step is good. Good. Caterina, 12 to shoot. Block shot. The ball will stay 7 on the shot clock. 7 to shoot. Foley. Force number now. Eagle. Tapi ka ng bola. Foley. Foul is called on jersey number 25. Jersey number 25 is first personal foul. First team foul. Alonso. Foul is called on jersey number 14. That's Caterina's first personal foul. Second team foul. Alonso to Mendoza. Mendoza big. Mendoza bars. In and out. Eagle. Put back now. Foul is called on jersey number 21. Jersey number 21. That's his. First personal foul, third team foul, on the line. Shooting 2, number 9, Chico, is the first. Foul is called on jersey number 4. Jersey number 4, that's his first personal foul. The timeout is called. JRC. Too early foul trouble for JRC with 8 minutes and 24 seconds. Under penalty situation again. First choice game. The ball will stay 12 on the shot clock. 12 to shoot. Eagle to Alonso. Foul is called from behind. Foul is called for jersey number 14. Jersey number 14, that's his second personal foul. Penalty. Alonso gets the first. Caperina kicks it out. Mission, two-pointer, no. Iko gets the board. Mendoza. Down low pass to Poli. Oy! The ball will stay. 16 on the shot clock. Alonso fakes. Then the shoot, kicks it out, Mendoza, jumper, no. Mission. Steal by Mendoza. Uy! Caperina. To Mission, fires a jumper, oh! 2 points. Tira tama sa tumbong. Mendoza to Alonso fakes, down low pass, easy, in and out.
Nice one.
Sound check sound. Ganda. Arce. This is the leader. Alonso now on run for the Fort Kings. Colby. Mendoza picks it up. Down low pass to Iko. The last quarter.
Jersey number 14 na red. Warning, cemetery non-call.
Jersey number 14. That's Caperina. Warning for resentment. Only non-goal. 12 to shoot. Pararangan. Masling is way in, still. Alonso now on the run. 3 versus 1, Mendoza, 2 points. 37 to 26, the lead now is down to 11. Caperina to Mission. To Paraman. Rebound by Iko. Chance to cut down the lead to a single digit. Mendoza now splitting the lead, fires a jumper down to 9.
25.
Warning for jersey number 25 for taking a foul of jersey. Mission block shot by Poli. Mission revolves the leader. 5 to shoot. Caperina, 3. Ready for stop. Ready for mandatory stop po. Next 5. Iko. Caperina now. On the run. 3 versus 2. Caperina lazy stop. In and out. Mendoza with the leader. 5 Alonso, 3 versus 1. Alonso, let's lay up. No, Iko with the putback. Substitution. to 30. Baba sa 10 ang Kalamangan. Ano ngayon ng adjustment ng JRC? To control the pace of this ball game. Pinasok na, pinagsabay na. Curioso, Datuig, Baluran. Ang mga guards Yusofix off the glass, 2 points. Triplesa, 10 to shoot. Agrimana, 6 to shoot. Baluran, to the twin. The basket of Furious. Baluran, short jumpers, good. 44 to 30. Angat ulit sa 14. Reblesa, setting things up. For the Kings, Garcia wide open. He fakes. Agrimana, but there's the whistle. Foul is called on jersey number 41. Jersey number 41, that's his first personal foul. Penalty. Agrimana gets the first. 44 to 31. Two of good. Down. Dato. To Balura. Grande. Balura. 3. Magdalo ito Garcia. Agrimana recovers the runner, but there's a foul. Foul is called on jersey number 31 again. That's Hidalgo's second personal foul penalty. Agrimana misses the first. One and two. Curioso. Kicks it out. Hidalgo kicks. Steal by Garcia. Garcia to Agrimana. Good. Block shot by Baluran. Garcia, quick answer, Nugget. Baluran lays it up now. Nakita yun. Hindi ka pa nakakatawid. Kuya Noel. Agrimana. Agrimana forcing his way in. Curioso. To the twin. Baluran. Ayan na naman yung dalawa. The twin to Baluran. But where's Uy? Unsportsmanlike foul is called for jersey number 8.
Sportsmanlike foul criteria 1. Not legitimate to play the ball. Basket count, so 1 shot plus ball possession. Isa lang po kasi sumunta na lang dito.
Wala di sa wala.
Okay.
Hindi ako pwede makikita lang.
Sound, check, sound.
House rules. Walang 3 minutes. Wala na.
Sound. Hidalgo fires, no good, not this time. Reblesa on the run, 2 versus 1. Reblesa sidestep and move. Hidalgo gets the rebound. Seryoso takes it up. Baluran. Uy! Foul is called for jersey number 19. Jersey number 19, that's his first personal foul. Second team foul. Asa. 19 gets the board, 49 to 33. Agrimana Garcia wide open three, no. Bulaklak gets the board. Baluran to Glorioso. Glorioso off the glass, 2 points. Well to shoot, Reblesa from deep now. Noel to the ring. Foul is called on jersey number 25. Jersey number 25, that's Reblesa's first personal foul, third team foul. On the line now, shooting to number 12, the Queen. In and out. Split charity on the line for the Queen. Miscommunication out of bounds, 53 to 33. JRC gets the possession. 8 to shoot. Hidalgo. 2-pointer, no. Foul is called on jersey number 14. Jersey number 14, that's his first personal foul. Third. Penalty, another. Magdaleno missed the first sounder. Split charity din for Magdaleno. Glorioso takes it out. Baluran, that's his spot, not this time. Bulaklak must make its way in. The ball was intercepted and the ball will stay. For the court game, 16 on the shot clock. Darlo pass Bulaklak to Agrimana, 2 points plus foul. Foul is called on jersey number 27. Jersey number 27, that's his first personal foul. Penalty. On the line, one shot. Number 85, Agrimana. Shot clock is on. 20 to shoot. Balura, twice the number. Agrimana. 5 to shoot.
Magdaleno forcing his way in for shot.